My name is Alfred Hitchcock, and I would like to tell you about my forthcoming lecture. It is about the birds and their age-long relationship with man. Beautiful cage, fresh water, no other birds to bother you. None of that blinding sunlight. Oh! Now why would he do that?
Don't want to touch them. No. So if we want you to be ready?
Yeah. Swear.
They're coming! They're coming!
Okay, you can try this one.
And now we can try this one.
The nicest one. Yeah, very quiet.
Next to me, next to me. The other one is Johnny. Alright, right here, guys. Wow! Right, but you know, nice just looking and when the chance is yeah, you should go there, he's been out.
You go with her.
Oh, no, he's stadium more.
Yeah, her stadium.
Alright, here we go.